Very good morning, guys. Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. 5th of Jan. It's been 1 year since my son was born, and my dog is going mad. Whiskey is also celebrating with us, and the preparations are underway. I'll just turn the camera around, show you a glimpse of what is happening. So, as you can see, it is a Boss Baby theme party for Aggie Boy, and it is, what time is it? I think it is about 11:30 now. And Srijan has gone to his office. He's going to get the cake when he's coming back. He's going to come back by lunchtime. Apparently by about 2:30 he'll be here. So we're going to get his cake. It's a Boss Baby cake and two flavors. It's a 2-tier cake. The bottom I think is going to be strawberry and chocolate. The upper part is going to be hazelnut chocolate. So can't wait. And the preparations are going on. Again, as you guys know, ghar pe kar rahe. It's going to be, we're getting dinner from outside. Look who we have. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. This fellow hasn't even had lunch.
So I'll vlog after that.
So let him go in. Bechara, he hasn't even had lunch. We are done with the decor. It's 3. I'm still like a shabby person. So chalo, I'll walk you through the house of wherever. There are a few lanterns and balloons at top. Lanterns here. And as we enter, Boss Baby, right? Welcome to Agastya's party. And as we enter the house, Boss Baby there. These are the balloon arrangements here. Shraddha. And very simple decor, nothing very fancy we just made a very, very simple arrangement. And as we continue, Agastya woke up. So that's the banner we have for him. The Boss Agastya turns 1, and all props, everything are in Boss Baby theme. And that's it. This is our decor. This table is going to be for the return guests, for all the kids who are coming to the party. Chara, Agastya got hurt in the morning. He fell down from the bed as well. Mera mistake. I wasn't watching over him. And
it's fine.
Yeah, he's fine. He's sleeping abhi. Afternoon nap before the big event in the evening. Chalo, we'll catch up with you guys after some time. I need to get ready. I'm looking very shabby. We have 2 parties. One will happen at about another half an hour to 40 minutes. Second party is going to be in the evening at 6 o'clock with our friends and everybody. Agastya's cake is also here. It's going to be a Boss Baby cake. I will not show you the cake now. I'll show you the cake in the evening when everybody is around. So we are actually giving away small gifts to the guests at home, and that is Siri. She's 2 years old. She's Agu's friend here.
Oh, did they poop? I smelled Abba. I sungified your poopy. Okay. Poopy.
Okay, get him and get his tattoo.
So
I'm
Srijan is going again.
Poopy.
Poopy times, cleaning times. And something's happened to this little baby here. She's whining a little bit.
Here is the Boss Baby.
We are ready to rock the floor. He's super duper sleepy. Let's wake him up after half an hour and then we'll continue.
Okay. उसको मारना नहीं रे, घुमाना होता है आगे.
And he's fascinated with this. Initially, it was his favorite toy which was given to him. And uske baad, look, he's become violent here. The whole thing has been broken like 10 times so far. Things go flying everywhere. And that's how he sleeps. Who we have here, Anand. For the guys
Hi.
who don't know him, he is the owner or the creator of an app called Rev Your Soul.
Thank you.
So, what exactly is your app? I just asked
What
him out of the
exactly
blue.
is my app? It's like so it's like basically it's a motorcycle riding app for bikers to connect, create rides and participate in rides. The idea of creating the app was to have classless riding. We don't promote groups. We are not a riding group. We are not a tour operator. It's about you creating your rides and people joining you for your rides, or people creating rides and you joining theirs.
One doubt.
yeah.
How many times have you rehearsed this?
I've done it for all.
Every single time somebody asks, I'm sure he's going to get the same thing reciting
No,
it out.
I am prepared for it because I'm in the quest for raising money for my company. So I need to do it.
But very honestly, see, a lot of you guys actually message me, can I ride with you? Or, and generally people say to these guys that it is not possible because ours is a very close group. So, all of you guys can actually log on to this particular app, Rev Your Soul. I'll do a detailed video about how to go about it. Even I go for rides on this app with few of these friends which I've made. So it's a very easy app here. Again, you meet new riders. If you don't have a riding circle, I think this is a place where you can actually meet a lot of riders. And
Absolutely. That was the idea, where you don't have friends, you don't have people to ride with. The idea was created where we used to ride with Benelli,
Benellis.
and these guys became Triumph guys. I was left out in Benelli.
You
I had
became
no
a Busa guy.
So I became a Busa guy subsequently, and again in the Busa also we have a limited number of Busas in Hyderabad. So again I have no people to ride with. So the idea was I need more people to ride with, and how do I reach out to people? So I was limited to either Benelli or to Suzuki, and these guys had the larger clan of Triumph being one of the largest riding groups. So I wanted to ride with people who are interested in riding. The whole idea was passion for riding, and this was lost with all the brands coming in, or lot of these groups being created. So the idea was to break away from these groups, and that's how I said, let me create an app where people like
he
me
needs
can
to breathe, right?
can reach out to people like these, so that they can ride with me whenever I host a ride on the platform.
So yeah, I'll do a detailed, a video of how to go about how. Again, it's an app which is there on the Google Play Store and the Android
On the Google Play Store and the iOS App Store.
App Store, whatever it's called. Yeah,
Yeah.
on both the iOS and the Android devices,
Yeah.
it is available. So you can download. All you need to do is you need to register with your motorcycle. It doesn't matter which motorcycle. You can
Absolutely.
register with whatever. They'll verify your credentials, and then you're open.
Good to go.
Yeah, you're open to ride.
So we have everything. We have rides. We have access to events. You have an e-com store, so you can buy biking merchandise and access to coupons. Presently, we have Oyo running a discount coupon. We have Driven Cafe running a discount coupon. You have a social networking platform.
Yeah, you
where
can actually buy and sell motorcycles.
Yeah,
as
you
well,
can
right?
also. You have a pre-owned platform where you can actually buy and sell your own motorcycle and get. So it's a complete biking ecosystem I've created.
So, an amazing app, very honestly. I started using it very recently, but it's a beautiful app, and we'll talk more about this in another video. Today is my son's birthday. I won't talk about all this nonsense now.
Cheers, guys.
See you again.
Hi, babe. Hi, baby. So, for all the guys who wanted to see the cake, I show it to you just a GIF now.
time is 11:20 and all the guests just left. Sorry, we couldn't record and we were super busy.
Super tired.
Helping everyone, telling them to eat, cutting the cake, clicking a lot of pictures. Yeah, and I'm like super tired. I want to sleep. I want to doze off.
Honestly, I have no energy to edit today, Papa.
Yeah, we'll do it tomorrow.
Yeah, and upload it on the 7th. I'm really sorry for the delayed. But you can actually understand from my voice how tired I am. All of us are this tired, yeah.
Last May, there were two of my cousins, okay, and I was constantly yawning, and they were like, "Dude, you go sleep."
Yeah.
So, मेरे को भगा दिया नीचे से. So
I've taken Aggie, come up. I'll tell Srujan good night. I'll go to my room.
Mom and Shraddha are wrapping up the remaining food.
I have honestly
I have no idea how they're doing it.
hats off to Mom and Shraddha. Like, I don't know how do they have this energy. Like, I'm pretty sure they have way more energy than me and Shujju easily. And chalo guys.
Tomorrow morning I have a typical day at work. सुबह पूरा हो जाएगा. I need to get up at 7:30 रे.
Yeah, tomorrow morning I'll get up. Maybe I talk a little bit with you guys on camera with Shraddha about this little monster.
And officially on camera, I just want to wish him happy birthday, bro.
Bro नहीं होता है तेरा.
हाँ.
तो उसका अंकल है.
Uncle.
Uncle. So guys, good night.
Sweet
Next
dreams.
time.
Bye.
Aggie say bye.
So I guess when Rohit does that session with Shraddha, I won't be available because मैं तो work पे रहूँगा. So peace out from my side, guys. Bye.
Good night from everybody at home at this place, and thank you each and everyone for all your wishes on Instagram.
Yeah.
And it was lovely. I still haven't replied a ton of them.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow only. Today.
Chalo, I want to close the camera, remove these and sleep. Till then, bye.
Bye.